今日咧同大家分享下 Rebecca and Gothic Literature 呢一份嘅 notes 咧係嚟自我哋 Rebecca Moore 嘅。咁大家有興趣可以去 website 或者 Instagram 去度問我哋，然之後去購買啦。購買完之後咧，你做呢一份 mock 嘅時候咧，你會寫 essays 噶嘛？咁你可以俾晒你嗰啲 essays 我哋幫你改好仔細嘅，俾晒好仔細嘅 remarks 你，咁你就知道可以點樣進步啦。OK， 第一個 Rebecca 咧，佢係唔係鬼嚟㗎？成個故事冇一啲真實鬼故事嘅元素，但係咧佢嘅存在咧製造一種好恐怖嘅氣氛。Rebecca 嘅存在。The plot is driven by secrets and revelation, typical of Gothic literature. The mystery surrounding Rebecca's death and the narrator's struggle to uncover the truth create a sense of suspense and unease, as seen in Chapter 20. 咁當時咧 Maxim 就話俾 Heroine 聽 Captain Sue 就嚟去到調查一下 Rebecca 嘅船咁啊。然後第二個啦 sense of fear 同埋 anxiety 咧都係 Gothic literature 經常都會有嘅。Edgar Allan Poe 嘅小説啦係經常有嘅。The narrator's constant feelings of fear, anxiety, and insecurity contribute to the Gothic atmosphere. A sense of being haunted by Rebecca and her own insecurities creates a tense and unsettling mood, as seen in Chapter 5. The narrator feels a strange stain of irritation that to Rebecca, Mr. De Winter was mess, while to the narrator herself, he is only Maxim. 呢個係嚟自佢發現 Maxim 架車有本書，然之後打開係 Rebecca 俾 Maxim 嘅咁樣。之後佢一直都因為本書就以為 Maxim 係仲掛住 Rebecca 啦，點解要留本書喺度啊咁樣。好，之後去翻心上面講先。啱啱咧我就係話 Rebecca 咧佢係一隻鬼，但係佢唔係一隻鬼，但係佢有鬼元素嘛。咁就係喺第一個 point 呢度可以見得到噶啦。Although there are no explicit supernatural occurrences, the presence of Rebecca is felt throughout the novel, creating an eerie, weird, creepy, 詭異, and also ghostly atmosphere. Her influence looms over Mandalay and its inhabitants even after death, as seen in Chapter 7. Rebecca is still mistress of Mandalay, is still Mrs. De Winter. 然後咧，我哋睇埋成個 narrative order 咧，我哋可以知道咧 Chapter 1同 Chapter 2係發生喺 The Fire of Mandalay 之後噶嘛。咁佢成個敘事手法咧，都係會有一種詭異嘅感覺。如果你睇嘅時候就係睇1、2章咧，你唔知發生咩事嘅，就有一種disorientation 嘅感覺，完全係失平衡咁樣，唔知佢講緊乜嘅。呢個敘事手法咧，都係好常用喺嗰個情況好詭異啦，嗰啲角色咧都唔係太知發生咩事嘅時候咧，會咁樣寫嘅。譬如 Toni Morrison 嘅 Beloved 咧，佢入邊又係佢形容佢本書係關於黑奴嘅。當時黑奴佢受嘅情況太有痛苦啦，佢自己都唔知發生咩事，有啲好混亂、好 confusing 嘅一啲狀態。咁佢嗰個敘事手法咧，亦都係好 confusing。讀者睇嘅時候咧，都係睇唔係太明嘅。係作者 Toni Morrison 佢自己咁講，佢係特登營造呢一種氣氛嘅。OK， 係啦，咁希望呢個 extra 例子可以幫到大家啦。咁最後啦 如果有興趣嘅話，就可以去睇下我哋嘅 Rebecca Mock 啦，呢份嘅筆記啦，呢份嘅試題集，咁係冇 cover past paper 嘅，即係全部係新嘅。OK，咁所以好值得睇嘅，好值得做啦，同埋然後你買一份筆記咧，你就可以俾你嘅 essay 我哋改，咁亦都會有詳細嘅 remarks 俾翻大家。咁希望大家可以突飛猛進啦。OK，希望大家學到嘢啦今次，咁我哋下次再見。